Friday night. It is date night. You made reservations for the first time since March. You're all excited, but you better prepare before you go to that favorite restaurant of yours because there are changes in the air in Baltimore, right, Kelly?
Yeah, that is right, Jamie. Masks are now required in public and as ordered by the mayor. Indoor dining is suspended. WMAR 2 News' Dave Detling looks at how restaurants are coping.
Well, right now it is masks up if you're in public in Baltimore City and unable to properly social distance. And if you're heading out, remember, there's no more indoor dining.
The word pivot has been used a lot, and we are pivoting literally every day.
GJERDE, co-owner of Wicked Sisters, is getting ready to pivot once more. Ahead of the 5 o'clock hour, he and his staff were busy catering to guests dining indoors. In a matter of hours, by order of the city, that dining option would be gone. The suspension of indoor dining means it's back to patio dining and carry-out services for the Hampton restaurant. Charlie says the pandemic has been a roller coaster ride for how restaurants do business.
We started right behind me to the left and did it out of the door right at the front. Then when indoor dining started, we moved it to there. But we're keeping it there. It's going to be its permanent location until things really change.
The elimination of indoor dining and bar seating is also impacting Restaurant Week. Charlie's been busy explaining the dining changes to customers.
Most people knew, they've been following it, but some people that aren't outside the area didn't realize it because it is just Baltimore City, which puts us at a little disadvantage.
Still, his team is making it work.
When the partlets became available, I'm like, well, we're doing well with this. Let's try to keep on paying our bills and just add some more seating.
Also making it work, Avenue Kitchen and Bar over on 36th. It's the home of the neighborhood's first and only parklet. Applying for the proper permits and getting approved, owner Patrick Dahlgren says the extended outdoor space will help serve more customers and hopefully bring more people to the area.
It's just more foot traffic to Hampton. You know, we're just trying to bring as many people in for these stores, for these restaurants, and this gives the opportunity for more people to sit down, which in return gives them more opportunity to go to a Bright Side or get ice cream or whatever.
But as more foot traffic comes, whether it's to Hampton or any other neighborhood in the city, remember, it's masks up. Kids ages 2 and up, as well as adults, are now required to wear face coverings in public spaces, especially when it's impossible to practice social distancing. City officials say until COVID-19 cases decrease, the mask rule and the suspension of indoor dining will remain in effect. And the message from all restaurants, they are working with whatever rules the city puts forward. For those who are participating in Restaurant Week, they hope that the added sales help their bottom line. In Baltimore City, Dave Detling, WMAR 2 News.